Okay, we have lot number P1009. This is an estate vehicle that's included in our auction sale for September the 13th, 2023. We are all city auctioneers. We're located in Langley, and as you've seen from the sign there, we use an online auction site called bcsurplus.com. The sale on the September the 13th is a government surplus and estate auction. Lots of vehicles and equipment from the government, a couple of local municipalities, and of course estate items from a few different estates. Just walking around this van here. It's a 2005 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. I think it's got the fold and go or something like that, I don't know, style seats. Really, there's not a lot of damage. A few marks along the back bumper, right along the edge, probably where they've been loading stuff in and out. I got a cracked mirror on the driver's side here. Fully loaded van. I mean, there is lots of options in this thing. Oh, big scratch across the hood there, really faint, but it's there. I'll just open up the side here. State vehicle, you know, we don't know very much about them. We only get to drive them around the yard here, and if we're lucky, we get to talk to the family, but sometimes we're dealing with an estate manager like we are with this one, so we know nothing about the car. Interior seems to be in pretty good condition. You know, we did not clean it up, so it's in pretty clean condition. There are some stains on the floor and whatnot. You know, like I said, looks pretty clean there, and this is what I mean by the stow and go. It's got these little places underneath here. I think the seats fold into to get a flat floor in the back. I'll just go to the back now here and lift this up, and so there you go, full 3 rows of seats. So, you know, the front 2, the middle 2, and the back 3. So that's what, 7 passenger seating. Big storage well here. Trailer hitch. That's probably an accessory. It's got an electric trailer brake controller in it also. Fully equipped here. It's got the entertainment system on the ceiling. I didn't even know how to work any of that stuff. I don't have any of that. I buy very basic vehicles because that's what I prefer. Now I'll go in. The tires are not in very good condition. This one here goes a little bit low. Oh, there's some rust right here coming. Look at that. Just noticed it. But yeah, tires are not in great condition. Front ones are okay. Back ones I think need to be replaced. But that's just my opinion. Again, look at all that entertainment. There's controls for the climate control. So pretty clean inside. Actually, it's pretty impressive, you know, for a 2005. And you know, it's got that faux wood look, all fully loaded with power. Read the description, of course, online, because, you know, we don't test a lot of that stuff. Usually I might test the driver's window. You know, here I'm going to do that because it's sun's come out, it's getting hot. Just wandering around. I'm going to climb in now, fire it up. And like I said, we have driven it around our yard. It does seem to go, stop, do everything it's supposed to do. 288,184 kilometers. I'm just gonna leave the camera here. All the warning lights come on, and all the warning lights go off. I do have the driver's door open. But yeah, as you can see here, it's got rear controls and all of that type of stuff. Steering wheel controls, there's electric mirror. In the mirror, there's the window going up and down there. Like I said, I don't test everything. You know, we do kind of test, you know, a lot of the stuff. And away we go from there, right? So now I'll go and I'll pop the hood. This should be fun with one hand because I forgot my tripod. So I don't know if I can do this. Oh, look at that. 3.8 liter V6. A little dirty in here, but motor sounds pretty good. Sun is coming out here pretty bright. So like I said, the interior looks to be, oh, look at that, there's a little screw there kind of holding down those plates. So, you know, I mean, it's not in the best of shape, you know, but she looks pretty good. Steering wheel's a little dirty, center console. So like I said, we've driven it forward and backwards, seems to start, move forward, go back. Oh, there's the DVD player for the screen up top. And away we go. So this is selling on September the 13th, 2023. Unreserved, highest bid wins. We are all city auctioneers. We're located in Langley, and we use an online auction site called bcsurplus.com. Hope you get another bye-bye auction.